Hello guys, this is Vexapi. In this video, we are going to go through step by step how to create a GitHub account. Alright? Okay, so I would like you to head over to github.com. Okay, so if you're using a laptop or PC, you can still follow through step by step. Alright, so when you're on this interface, just go on to sign up for GitHub. But if you already have a GitHub account, you can just go to sign in. Very simple. Okay. So for the purpose of this video, let's go to sign up for GitHub. All right. Now, when it successfully loads, you are going to see this on your interface, create your free account. Okay. So let's go over here to just fill all these details. Okay. So you can see I've finished filling in with my details. So this is just an email that I created for the purpose of this video, student.email.996 whatever. And then you go on to create your password. Now, until this place is marked green, you will still have to make changes, right? But if the place marks green, then that means you can go on with it. Now, this username here, I've talked about in the previous video, that's like the name that is representing you on GitHub. Because when someone comes, the person will see this maybe Vexy111. All right. And it will be part of your repository link later. Yeah. Okay. So your country too, you choose your country. I'm in Ghana, so I've chosen Ghana. And then when you're done with that, just continue. All right. So here we are going to verify our account. So we are going to solve a puzzle out. Advise or recommend that we go on with visual puzzle. It's just something very simple. Okay, so you see this one, they said use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. Your own might be different, but just it's something logical. Just put your mind to it and you can be able to do it. So you see the hand where it is facing, it's a match this angle. So we are going to use the arrows at the sides of the chair here to move the chair until it faces the direction of the hand where the two fingers are pointing. Okay, so I'm going to go. Okay, I think this is it. Oh, let me see. No, so this is it. All right. So when you think it's okay for you, you can just go on to submit or go to restart. So I'm going to submit. Okay, so one done. Yes. So they are going to redirect me to the next step. Okay, so I'm going to have to confirm my email address. So we've sent a code to send or email, whichever code I are going to type in there. Most of the time, when the email comes in, it should pop up at the top here, I guess. But if it doesn't, okay, so mine has actually popped up here at the top. Okay, the code is very long. Okay, so let me just go there. You can go on to your Gmail. That step will still be there waiting for you. Okay, so you can come to your Gmail and you see the message there. Okay. Okay, so when you open the email that they've sent to you, you can scroll down here, you can see the code that they're asking for. So you can copy it and then go back to the your browser to paste it there. Or you can just simply come here. You see this side here where they said not able to enter the code. Just whatever. So you can just simply press on that link there and it will take you straight to your browser back again. And then it will verify you. Alright? Alright, now you see that it has brought you to this place where they said your account was created successfully. It means they verified it for you. So now they said, please sign in to continue. So they want you to now type your username or your email address again and then your password. Okay. Okay, so after putting in your username and your password, you can go on to sign in. Okay. Now you can, at the top, you can either put in your username or email address, whichever one you feel like putting in there. Okay. So let's go on to sign in. And if your details are correctly filled there, you are going to have your GitHub account created successfully. All right, so that's step by step how to create a GitHub account. And the next one, we are going to go through some few steps to create files to create a repository and also create a file or files in the repository. Thank you.